Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And this is the third video which I am doing on the Realme Q2 device. So which has a Dimensity 800U processor. And in this video I'll be trying to compare with the OnePlus Nord in terms of the Antutu benchmark comparison. So this will be the another most requested question which was asked by most of the users. How well the Dimensity 800U can actually compare to the Snapdragon's 765 processor which is present in this OnePlus Nord. So as you can see right now I'm using the Dimensity 800U. You can see clearly, and the variant is a 8GB RAM, 6GB RAM variant, and the OnePlus Nord as the Snapdragon 765 processor, 765G processor, which is really good, and 8GB RAM variant. So let's see friends how much the Antutu score will it be different and which phone will be having the highest Antutu benchmark score. As I said, this is just the third video and there will be so many videos will be coming very much regularly and frequently. Every day I'll try to upload close to 8 to 10 videos on this Realme Q2 or Realme X7 device. So as soon as possible. So try to check the links in description for more playlist of this Realme X7 and X7 Pro as well, which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. I'll try to do a separate video comparing the Antutu benchmark of this Dimensity 800U versus 1000 plus as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And let's get started with this Antutu benchmark comparison side by side. And let me quickly open the Antutu benchmark applications in both the smartphones. Are you ready friends to see the Antutu score? So let's see the Antutu benchmark score test. So let me quickly show you the both scores side by side. As you can see here, the scores between this both phones. So you must be shocking to see how well the Dimensity 800U is actually performing even when you compare with the OnePlus Nord's device, which is a really expensive phone when you compare to this Realme Q2 or the Realme X7 device. So depending on the type of location, I'm trying to mention the Realme X7 as well, because in China it called the Q2, and in maybe in the global variant maybe it might be called with the Realme X7. By the time I'm making this video, I'm not sure what naming they're gonna choose for this Realme phone in India. So this is a comparison between the Antutu score between both the smartphones. And one thing, if you observe, in terms of the CPU, there is nothing much difference, but GPU, there's a difference as you can see little bit. And both are having kind of a difference of close to 3000 in the CPU, and in the GPU also close to 2000. So that's a difference here. And overall you can see here friends, the score also, if you compare both phones, it's more, I think 20,000, 15,000 to 20,000 difference is there between these both the smartphones, Realme phone versus this OnePlus Nord device. So which is really good. And in case if this Realme phone is launching in India for the price close to 15,000, then this phone will be the seriously very good mobile phone which has seriously insane performance as well. So right now this is a very new mobile and I'm trying to test most of the performance of this phone by downloading so many applications. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me regularly for more this kind of comparisons, Antutu, display, camera, haptic feedback, loudspeaker, and there will be so many this kind of comparison with the other smartphones. So overall friends, in terms of the Antutu benchmark score, and the clear winner is a Realme smartphone here, so which is really good for this kind of Realme phone to be on top of this OnePlus Nord device. And for more this kind of comparison of the Antutu benchmark test, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.